Why no say one God?
John Mr. J,
This is for my ladies in the house. And man, I'm a hustle to see the dollar bill. Me pa mo chow, me ma be me be me how. Umpeduma doesn't matter how you feel. Yeah, this is the strength of a woman. Ain't nobody better than the boss chick. All the ladies who they fight for the moolah. What they want, nobody for touch, cause she know the phone quick.
Hi Exquisite dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful protective style known as soft locks. This inches I'll be doing today will be the 28 inch, and they do not have the 28 inches already extended in the hair stores yet. They only have the 14, the 18, the 24, and the 36 inches already prepped for you. So the 14 inches was prepped by hand to achieve the 28 inches. And I used about, I believe, 6 to 7 packs of hair for this style. You can use anywhere from 6 to 10 packs of hair, people normally say on YouTube, depending on the size of your client's head. So here I've braided my client's hair into single braids, and then I went ahead and twisted it down to the ends for that extra protection. Next, you guys are going to see how I insert the crochet 28 inch lock into my client's scalp. And then as you can see, I'm showing you guys very slowly how I insert the crochet needle to avoid any pulling or any tension, and then how I pull my client's natural hair through the loop to secure it at the scalp. As you can see, I did not braid my client's hair too tight, because once you start to wrap the hair, it's going to get tight by itself. So it's very important that you do not make the initial braids from the beginning super tight. Usually for the wrapping part, I use the Marley hair in the inches of 12 or 16. It doesn't really matter. What I do is I normally take a strand, or either I can just take the whole bundle of Marley hair and then cut it in half, and then I cut it in half again, which will give me 4 pieces. And then I normally take that 4 pieces and I split each piece into 2. I go ahead and use those split pieces to wrap my client's hair down, and then I secure the ends with super glue. The reason is just for that extra security, and it's also easier for my clients to know where they're cutting when they're taking out their locks, because they can feel the glue there. If I don't secure it with glue, sometimes people tend to ask me, how do I know, or where do I know to cut? Because as the locks get older, they look really natural, and it's really hard for you to tell it apart from where your natural hair was wrapped from beginning to end. From this moment going on in the video, everything is just watch and learn. So if you guys have any more questions, you guys can drop your comments and your questions down below, and I will answer you guys. Enjoy the video. As you can see, when I was wrapping the locks in the beginning, I was not focused on wrapping it neatly. All of the locks are not supposed to look the same. Anybody can do this hairstyle. Just go ahead and freelance the wrapping. Just make sure that it's secured at the root and you're going to be perfectly fine. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to just take my leave-in conditioner spray from Creme of Nature, my favorite to-go-to spray, and I just spray it on the locks. All it does is it just softens it. It makes your hands run through the locks more easier. And then afterwards, I'm going to use the olive oil spray. Just spray that on to add a little bit of shine. And we're finished. Do not mind me in the back. I'm just excited on how beautiful these turned out. My client loves them. I love them. And like this hairstyle, we did this in August around the 18th or 19th. And like we're in September. September's about to end and my client still has these in. It still looks beautiful and the hair still looks natural. This is a good protective style for the fall or winter time, ladies. And we're done. 28-inch soft locks. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you haven't already joined the team, make sure to click the button down below and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.